check your phone, scroll through the same feed, and feel that weight in your chest. Another day, still nothing has changed. Why? The truth is, you're stuck because of you, not your past or circumstances. You've been waiting for motivation, but life doesn't work like that. Excuses like, "I'll start tomorrow," feed the cycle keeping you stuck. They imprison you, preventing personal growth and success. The life you want requires a different version of you. You can't grow and stay comfortable. Embrace discomfort to break free. You need momentum, not just motivation. Start moving. Every small action creates energy and leads to change. Every day is a bonus. What will you do with it? If you're ready, say it. I choose to take action. This is your moment. Fear keeps most people stuck, but you can rewrite that story and act as if success is inevitable. You don't need permission. Success is not about luck or talent, but about consistency. Show up day after day. Choose discipline over distraction. You have the choice to break free. Take that first step today. Success is in your hands. Make the decision to change.